In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redo from history in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly how to revisit a past creation and make quick, precise edits without starting from scratch. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your workspace and saved items load properly. Give the page a moment to initialize so all the panels and thumbnails fully appear. Once you're in, take a moment to orient yourself. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation. If you're on a smaller display, that sidebar may be collapsed. In that case, expand it so you can see the labels clearly. Find the section labeled History on that left panel. This is where Grok keeps a timeline of your previous sessions and outputs, making it easy to pick up where you left off. Click History to open it. You'll see a list of your past topics, sometimes with thumbnails and timestamps. This view is your hub for revisiting earlier work, whether it's images, prompts, or related outputs. Now scan through the list and find the topic you want to redo. Think of topic as the project thread that contains your prior generations and edits. A quick glance at the thumbnails or titles will help you recognize the right one. Click on that topic to open it. You should now see the conversation or activity details, including the images or results previously generated under that thread. Inside the topic, click directly on the image you want to refine. This opens the editing context for that specific result, so any changes you make will apply to this selection. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a field that says Describe your edit. This is where you tell Grok what you want changed. It's designed to be straightforward and natural language friendly. Type in what you want to happen with your edit. Be clear and specific to get the best results. For example, you might say, brighten the background and make the main subject sharper, or change the color palette to warmer tones and add soft studio lighting. Mention the elements you want adjusted, the style or mood you're aiming for, and any fine details that matter. When you're ready, click the arrow beside the chat box to run your edit. Grok will process your request and generate an updated version based on your description. If it's close but not perfect, refine your wording slightly and run it again until it matches your vision. That's it. Redoing from history in Grok is simple, efficient, and a great way to build on your best work.